I'll guide you through how to get leads from LinkedIn. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type LinkedIn in the search bar. Sign up or log in with your account. Navigate to your profile and create a professional headline by replacing the current text with something like Digital Marketing Specialist helping you increase online sales. Scroll down to the About section, add a summary, and write a summary that describes your services, highlights your best experiences, and includes your contact information, using the provided example as a guide. To grow your network, send an invitation with a personal message. Click the person's name, then click Connect and choose Add a Note. For instance, right? Hi Zachary, I see you run a marketing business. I'd love to share marketing ideas for this industry. Want to connect? Begin building relationships by engaging with their feed or profile. When they post something, like or comment with relevant, value-adding thoughts like, "This strategy is great." It could be even more effective if followed up with a Facebook or Instagram ad campaign. Subtly send an offer by clicking message on their profile and writing, "I've helped businesses like yours increase engagement through digital advertising strategies. If you'd like, I can send you a sample campaign."